Pitong proyekto ang maapektuhan ng pagbawas ng 10 bilyong piso sa pondo ng Armed Forces Modernization Program sa 2025. Sinabi yan ni Senator Bato de la Rosa sa plenary debates ng Senado ukol sa budget ng programa. Dati nang hinimok ni de la Rosa ang Senado na ibalik ang bilyon-bilyong piso na tinanggal ng House of Representatives. Ito'y nasa 40 billion pesos na lamang mula 50 billion.
These are projects concerning cyber systems, and projects for forward support equipments and aviation engineering equipments, additional aircraft, joint tactical combat vehicles, and radar basing support systems. So ito yung pitong projects that would be impacted by the